Welcome to the CiiLOCK Innovation Hub. Today's topic, the VOLTA powered roller. Traditional sliding door openers suffer from several issues that typically make them unsuitable for use in a home. One of their biggest flaws is that they are bulky, ugly, and require specialist door systems and installers to accommodate them. But not the VOLTA. Designed to be fully concealed inside the profiles of standard sliding door systems, the VOLTA simply replaces one or two bottom rollers, transforming large and heavy sliders into effortless openings that keep you in control. Unlike other systems on the market, which use sensors or push buttons to open to predefined distances, the VOLTA gives you all the power. Simply pull on the handle in the direction you want the door to move and watch it effortlessly glide. Release the handle and the door will come to a prompt stop. Safe and intuitive control means no learning is required. The VOLTA is designed for everyone. If you know how to open a door, you know how to use the VOLTA. But how is it with handling such heavy panels that the VOLTA can punch so far above its weight? Well, the secret is in our patented Hush Torque drivetrain. Nestled at the center is the bespoke, fully sealed, high-reduction gearbox, which paired with our precision synchronous belt drive ensures excellent water and contamination resistance and silent operation day in and day out. To accommodate even the heaviest of panels, our unique tandem belt final drive ensures maximum torque delivery with minimal footprint, and no drive system is complete without robust suspension and a power unit to tie it all together, utilizing the mother of all rollers technology to balance the load between wheels, and a powerful and compact brushless DC electric motor. The VOLTA delivers a smooth and consistent operation year on year. If you would like more information on the VOLTA, please get in contact with your nearest CiiLOCK branch.